Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about JB Weld and why it's a wonderful thing and why it's a really bad thing when you bring it to me. Also, we've got a repair to do on a VW sump or oil pan, as we call it in other parts of the world. So without further ado, let's crack on and I'll see you by the TIG. Okay, so the first thing I think I'm going to need to do is get some heat into this and see if we can bang it out a bit. So now that we've warmed it up and beat it up a bit, we can see the extent of the damage. It's proper taking a hard hit there. That piece is going to come out. I think I'm going to have to do is we're going to drill and terminate these cracks, get a die grinder in there. This piece is going to go, that's going to fall out, and we'll build this area back up and then run a bead across it all. And hopefully we'll save it. Right, so now we've got it cleaned up, we can see what we're doing. Yep, as I predicted, that piece has fallen out, so I'm going to build this back up and hopefully we'll get it all to weld in nicely. Anyway, let's just crack on with it. All the soot you can see in this weld, this has all been dragged through from the other side because I haven't done a full clean on this job. bone dry, job done. Right, so that's the sump done. It holds water, it's going to hold oil, it's fine. I know I didn't clean it down as much as I should have done. In fact, I didn't clean it down at all on the inside. But these things, you can get away with certain things, you can't get away with other things. That one I'm quite happy to do like that. Other jobs, no way I'd clean it all through. So let's start talking about, or thinking about, JB Weld. Now, this guy has tried to fix a stator plate with JB Weld, and well, it's not going to work. But what's worse is then he's gone and brought it to me with JB Weld still on it, and what would just be an hour's charge is now going to be a 2-hour charge because he used JB Weld. Same problem with this engine casing. See this hole right here? That was full of JB Weld. Now the guy stripped the whole engine down. He went through all that effort, stripped it all down and put JB Weld in it, and then rebuilt it, and then the JB Weld fell out. Except not all of it fell out, and then he brought it to me. So I've spent an hour and a half cleaning all the JB Weld off. That's an hour and a half I've got to charge him. That's an hour and a half welding on top of what I'm going to do. As always, a massive shout out and thank you to the channel sponsor, Extreme Plasma. You can see them behind me there. Pop over to their website, pop over to their channel, have a look. There's some great other channels featured on there. There's some great videos. There's just greatness everywhere. And I'll catch you on the next one. Make it metal. That wasn't meant to happen. Right, I'll see you in a minute. I've just got to clean up.